Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, your online gateway to success in ISS exam. This academy is exclusively for ISS and we have been covering the topic time series from Statistical Paper 3, which is of descriptive type. We have started the measurement of trend, in which we have covered the first three methods, which were measurement by the method of semi-averages, graphical method, and measurement by curve fitting method or method of least square. Now, the fourth and the last method of measuring trend is measurement by moving average. So, what do we mean by moving average? This is the fourth method of moving average. So moving average measures the trend. The most important concept of moving average method is it measures the trend by eliminating periodic variations. Here we eliminate periodic variations, which are nothing but there were two periodic variations. First one was seasonal variation, and the second one was cyclic variations, which are represented by ST and CT respectively. So in this method, we will measure the trend, but first we'll eliminate the periodic variations from the graph, and then we'll be left with trend and random component or irregular component. That random component or irregular component may or may not be present. So we are only left with the trend value, which is represented by capital T, T at the time T. So this is the method of moving averages. So suppose our M, which is the total number of components or the time, suppose T goes from 1 to up till M. So if our M is equals to odd, that is equals to 2k plus 1. So the values will be placed in between the time periods or the YTs. And if M is equals to even, then the values will be placed in front of the time series. So we'll consider an example, after which it will be clear to all of us what do we mean by method of moving average. How do we solve the question? So let us take an example of a data which states that the study of demand for past 12 years has indicated the following. So the demand of study has been given by the variable di for past 12 years, for t goes from 1 to up till 12. So the variable states that di is equals to 100, 50 and 100. Where 100 is from, 100 is t goes from 1 to up till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 is when t is equals to 6, and 100 again is when t is equals to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we have to find 5-yearly moving average. There are two types of moving average. One is 5-yearly and one is 7-yearly. If 5-yearly is clear, 7-yearly will also be clear to you. So this is our data. So let us first find the write the data. So our t is given as t is given here. Let us make a table. Let us take pink and black. Okay. So we have been given the values of t. We have been given the values of dt. We can write, or it can be also equals to yt. Here we will calculate 5 yearly moving total, and here we will calculate 5 yearly moving average. Here we will calculate 7 yearly moving total, and here we will calculate 7 yearly moving average. Now our t goes from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So t is like this. Instead of writing this, we can just take a ruler, or we can write it like this only. It will take more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the values from 1 to 5 was given as 100 in the question. Then it is 50. Then it is 100. Okay. So 5 yearly moving total. So first we'll calculate the 5 yearly moving total of these terms. So we'll see how does 5 yearly moving total come. First of all, if we calculate this, then there should be 5 terms, and then this, and up till here. If we reach till here, then we'll get total number as 10. 10 total as 5 yearly moving, sorry, not 10, 8 total as 5 yearly moving total, because if we take 2 m is equals to 12, then it will be 2k plus 1, so it will be, the value of k will be 8 only. So 5 yearly first two and last two we'll skip, then we'll get 8 values out of 12. So for first value of 5 yearly total will come here, it will be 500. Then the second value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be 450. Then again it will be 450. Then again it will be 450. here it will be 500, here also it will be 500, because we are considering 1 2 3 4 5. Then we'll consider these 1 2 3 4 5, then all these are 500 500. From here if we consider, then this is 450. So again we'll write 450 and 450. So these are our 5 yearly totals. We'll take first 5 yearly total 1 2 3 4 5 here, then again here, here. So total 5. If we move forward, if we take 5 yearly total from here 1 2 3 4, and the fifth value is missing, so we cannot take that, and that is how the above two values and the below two values here are skipped. Now 5 yearly moving average of these would be, we'll divide them all by 5. So because it is 5 yearly moving average, so 500 divided by 5 would be 100. It will be 90, 90. The formula is 2k plus 1 is equals to m is equals to 12. So we have to forego the first k terms. So here it will be 11 upon 2 will be equal to 5.5, which is almost equals to 5. But it is not an even number, so we'll take k values, which is 4. Two values above and two values before. Here also we'll take moving average as 5 yearly. So first two will be skipped, and these 5. We'll calculate of these 5 and we'll get 100. Then we'll calculate of these 5, we'll get 84. Then again 84, then again 84, then again 84, then again 84, and then again 84. And in the last we'll again get 100. So these are our 5 yearly moving average or 5 yearly total. Similarly, in 7 year moving average, we'll skip 3 above and 3 below, because it is a 7 year moving average. It will be eraser. The confusion here is that this is 2k plus 1 is equals to 5. So here the value will be k is equals to 2, and hence we are leaving two values above and two values below. And similarly 2k plus 1 is equals to 7 yearly. So here we will leave k is equals to say 3, which is 3 values above and 3 values below. And we'll take the 7 total of 7 terms. So here we were taking total of 5 terms. Now we'll take total of 7 terms. So 7 terms would be, let us change the pen. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these would be 1 2 3 4 5 6 here till here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 650. So first one would be 650. Then the second one would also be from here to here. Then it will be again 650, again 650, again 650, and again 650. Okay. So again we'll take the total 7 yearly moving average. First three and last three are skipped, and we'll take the moving average of these. So we'll divide this by 7. 7 sevens of 7 nines are 63, and we'll be getting 20. 7 twos are 14. 92.60. 7 eights are 56. So all of these would be 92.8. And here we have done some mistake in the question. It was all okay. Let us change the question only. Let us undo this. So it was not 84 again. It was 90 only. 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, and 100. And skip two values. So it was 90 only. Actually, the question we were getting confused because of the question. The question was here, it was instead of 50, it was 20. So you can try it for yourself. Instead of 50, you can write for 20 and then solve these 5 yearly and 7 yearly moving average method. So I hope that you got that all that we have done today in the class. If not, then you can ask in the comment section or on WhatsApp channel, and keep on rewatching the videos. If you don't understand any concept, then you can contact us. All the best. Thank you.